12 children.
12 children? Why did you get 12 children?
Because I wanted a football team.
I appreciated that you accept my request. I'm a really lucky boy in Bangladesh.
I enjoy talking to new people.
Oh, really? How interesting it is. I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
I know Bangladesh.
Oh.
Well, I know the word kulva.
How old are you? I think you are 25 to 22.
Oh, I like you.
So am
no,
I?
I'm over 30.
Ah, how did you say you are over 30? Who believed this? Nobody believe that you are over 30. No, you looks like completely 20s. Looks like completely 20s. Really, honestly.
Thank you. Are you 25? How old are you?
I'm 29.
Oh, 29.
May I know what is the actual mastery of your beauties?
Probably a banter.
So, Amy, you know what? Your blonde hair, making me so embarrassed.
Because Yeltsin tells me about myself all the time. I am always in trouble with Yeltsin.
Yeah, honestly, that's all I say. May I touch your blonde hair? Bottom line, oh my god, yeah. You know what? I like to make fun. Okay, what do you do? What do you do as for life?
What do I do for a living?
Yeah, all right.
I do epoxy resin, but I'm trying to set up a business in doing epoxy resin flooring.
Oh, what kind of business?
Epoxy resin. You'd have to Google it. It's hard to explain. It's like when you
yeah, I will
turn
Google it.
something that looks black, not glass.
Yeah,
people are using it these days.
Yeah, okay. Amy,
yeah.
are you married?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Thank you. You have any kids?
Yeah.
How many?
I have 12 children.
12 children? What do you mean?
Yeah.
12?
I have 12 children.
12 children you have? 12?
Yeah. Yeah.
When did you get married?
I think I've had my 20 quid.
Are you kidding me?
Oh,
Are you kidding me?
No, I have 12 children. I have 9 boys, 3 girls.
How? Really? I'm really so mysterious to know something. Why did you get 12 children?
Because I wanted a football team.
You wanted to make a football team?
Yeah.
Honestly, are you saying you wanted to make a football? Okay, so how many years you took to get 12 kids?
16 years.
16 years. So you got married now. You are 32. So
32.
okay. So when did you get married? At the age of 16.
Yeah.
So you got married at the age of 16. But is it not an early marriage in your country?
Is it that?
Oh my goodness. But in my country, no girls can get married under the age of 20s. No girls can get married here. Yeah.
No, in the UK it's 16.
Okay, so now,
Don't I have to...
how old are your youngest child and older child?
My oldest is 15.
Okay, youngest one? 2 years? 2 years. Okay, so it's very interesting to know that you want to make a football team with your kids, okay?
4 of them are twins.
4 of them twin. Oh, goodness. Now I got it.
That's my bad. I have 12 children.
Okay. I'm really so interested. So, Really, do you want to make them a football player?
I wanted a full team, yeah, so I had 12 children.
Oh, yes. That's why you got the early 12 side. Oh, nice. Nice.
I'm going to go now because I'm going to PK my bestie.
Okay, for sure. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Okay, good night.
Okay.
Have a good day.
Okay, thank you. That's for now.